Every single day, I try to consume between 2 to 3 ounces of raw liver. And I know some people might be put off by the fact that it's raw, but I've done it over a couple hundred times and never once gotten sick from doing it. I also buy it from Whole Foods because you don't really want to skimp on liver or get a subpar quality. And for this, I do beef liver because I find it slightly easier to get down than calf liver. But I mean, to each his choice. I mean, you could do chicken liver. But anyways, for this method, you wind up cutting the liver into what I would consider somewhat large capsule size. So if you can take big multivitamins, you can take a couple pills at once. This is a very easy thing to do. Once you dice it all up, and keep in mind when you do dice it, you want a nice sharp knife. You want to do a gentle rocking motion back and forth. Don't try to put too much pressure so that the knife doesn't slip out. You kind of just go back and forth. You can let it thaw out for a little bit, but if it thaws out too much, then you'll taste it a lot more. To start the method, I load up. I like using a plastic spoon because it insulates the liver till it gets into my mouth and stops it from defrosting a little bit. And then each time I kind of wipe it off to remove some of the moisture. But you put water in your mouth, you toss it in, you let it soften so the edges don't hurt your throat. Then you kick it back, and you just swallow it. You feel amazing after.